On this episode of Tesla Hippies, we have a change of plans and spend the day in Gatlinburg. From there, we found a Supercharger near a Vineyard, spent time with friends in Nashville, and then take off towards Michigan.
Here's the deal. I remember paying for tickets about a month ago for Dollywood, and they even sent us an email that's blank. I can't open up the email. I try to use different Wi-Fi's, everything. Can't open the email. We called them. We're not in their system. So, and there's now, since we spend so much time trying to figure this out, Dollywood closes pretty early, around 6 o'clock, which is in 3 hours. So we're not going. So we're going to go to Gatlinburg. We looked at some videos. It looks awesome, and maybe we'll even find some destination chargers in Gatlinburg. Yeah, let's check it out.
When we went to REI earlier, the guy there told us that there's like this big hot rod run happening downtown in Pigeon Forge. So traffic is unbelievably slow. So it might take us more than 25 minutes to get to Gatlinburg. Whatever. We're in a Tesla.
And our car's too quiet to be here. No, we were gonna head there. We met some guy
Did he tell you?
The Great Smoky Mountains are among the oldest mountains in the world, formed approximately 200 to 300 million years ago. The Smoky Mountains get their name from the blue, smoky fog that covers the mountaintops. The Cherokee referred to the mountains as Saconahe, which means place of blue smoke. The park is one of the largest protected areas in the eastern United States. In September of 1940, President Franklin D. Roosevelt came to East Tennessee to officially dedicate the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. One can close one's eyes before greatness, fear, and beauty. One cannot listen to beautiful melodies or deceptive words, but one cannot escape the smell, because the smell is with the breath. This is Daily Lab, the designer car fragrance fit for your Tesla. I'm going to show you all 3 colors of Daily Lab's Star Glow diffusers. Wow. Right out the gate, I'm very impressed on the design and the look of the diffuser. This is the Star Glow color, and it catches the sun perfectly. The next color is Space Gray. The last color is Pearl White. Daily Lab's fragrance is designed to enhance the already exhilarating experience of driving a Tesla. With its smooth, sleek design, you will love the way it makes your car smell. Why settle for a basic fragrance when you can have a luxury experience every time you get behind the wheel? Try Daily Lab today and start breathing again. We have come so far and finally made it to the middle of our heart.
Our first supercharger of the day is Crossville, Tennessee. All right, we're in Crossville, Tennessee. This supercharger has 8 superchargers, and it's right next to a vineyard, so that's cool. Let's go look around. The Briar Patch is closed right now, but that's fine. Oh look, they have an event going on.
Oh my goodness. Of course they do.
Of course they do.
It's about a 5-minute walk to get over here.
Yeah, it's not too, no, like less than 5 minutes.
Less than 5 minutes.
It's like a few steps. It's over yonder.
It's over yonder.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
Oh wow.
There's a destination charger as well.
Okay.
And it even says fast superchargers at other end of building. That's so nice.
Wow, yeah, that's great.
Monell's at the Manor in Nashville is where they serve breakfast with a group of strangers. Food is passed around family style, and we all share. You can't beat the price at $18 a person.
This car doesn't feel like an RV. It doesn't feel like you're in a van. It's just like this whole nother level of like traveling. And it's so weird to think after all these weeks, I still have like everything just in this car.
Right, and it doesn't even feel like you've been living in a car, does it?
No, I don't feel like I've been living in this car at all, honestly.
Yeah, because I mean, most of the time you're just kind of chilling out with the air-conditioned seats.
Right.
And with that steering wheel just driving the car for you.
Yeah. It's so awakening, you know?
Awakening.
The awakening.
The awakening of the electric vehicle.
Here in Nashville, and it's in like this cute little district. Alright, let's go play that. From Spot's Pet Supply and Dog Wash, we head to Grimey's Records.
So fast charging at 18 miles an hour. We'll probably get just about an hour or two here and explore the town. Let's go. Chocolate chip cookie.
12, what's 12? 12 is
Olives.
we get 12.
Cookie. Oh my god. Oh.
That's what the bloopers reel.
This is the L&L Market, and this is Culture and Company. It's a cheese, charcuterie, and wine-focused dining experience. Their open kitchen and rotating conveyor belt offers an interactive and communal dining space.
On the next Tennesse Hippies, we hang out with our friends and have a silly time running around. Then, we take off towards Louisville, Kentucky to visit another good friend. That's when we head north into the other half of our heart, Michigan.